Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol YVR. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Not sure what I mean by 30-minute. I do offer an explanation video at that link. Quite the eventful day on this one, not only from the price action point of view, but you look down here at the volume and well above average volume on the day. So a lot of eyeballs on this one moving forward. Unfortunately, though, today was just an absolute slaughter fest, and in trading terminology, we would call this a gap and trap. And now it's a question of, is this gap and trap going to turn into a pump and dump? But let's first break down the gap and trap comment here. So if you're new, what do I mean by gap and trap? Well, on Wednesday, the price closed right there, and then this morning opened up there, hence a gap up, which is what that's known as. And then after the markets opened up, it did show some signs of strength. The price went up and up and up. And then this is where things get really, really savage. There were some poor souls that were buying up around here. And then from that point, it was basically all selling the remainder of the day. So that is the gap and trap that has now taken place. But like I said, now it's a question of, is this thing going to turn into a pump and dump? Which is why the must-hold level, in my opinion, right down here at that level of $1.70. Now that level is important. I'm not saying this is what's going to actually happen, but if the price were to come down and then break below that level, what would that be doing to the price at that point in time? Well, from a very literal point of view, that would quite literally be putting the price right back inside of that range that it just broke out of. Or said another way, that would imply that the price exploded upwards only to then go right back to where it was, which is the epitome of a pump and dump. Again, I'm not saying that's what's going to happen, but that is why that $1.70 mark is very, very important moving forward. As far as areas of resistance are concerned, if there is any sort of attempted bounce to the upside, first key level of resistance is going to be right up there at that $2 mark. But as of right now, in my opinion, at least, top priority is not necessarily about breaking levels of resistance. It's just all about trying to stabilize right now because, the chart's looking very, very shaky, but we'll see if the price can try to get things turned around a little bit or not on Friday. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.